Hello. So we are going to go over three more problems today, showing you how to use Desmos to solve these problems in a really easy way. So make sure you pause, practice typing in yourself. Again, look for these problems when you're taking your final in your unit test. Practice doing this because when you get to your final, you'll knock it out of the park. You'll do awesome. So these are just really easy ways to help you on your finals. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's look at the first problem. If A equals 5x minus 4x squared plus 8, and b equals 2x squared minus 9x. What is a plus b? So I'm going to go ahead and share my tab. You see I typed that in. And then what I did is I went ahead and typed each of the four possible answers and look at my graph. You'll see a bunch of lines. So once you type this in, I want you to go ahead and remove these circles so we just see our initial one. What we're looking for, the correct answer is going to overlap this black line exactly. So we go ahead and we get started. Let's go ahead, we'll do this bottom one. So we see the bottom one, it doesn't overlap exactly, right? So that's not the right answer. If we do the third one, it also doesn't overlap exactly. The second one here, it doesn't do it either. And then the last one, as you see as I click and unclick, it is the same exact line. So this top one, negative 2x squared minus 4x plus 8 is the correct answer. Then if I was doing this problem for my question, I would type in my name. Then I would screenshot the work on my left and my graph and submit that as my answer. Let's go to the next problem here. Add the two polynomials. So I'm going to go ahead, type this in, and again, type each of the four possible answers, which you see I did here. I get a bunch of graphs, just like the other ones. I'm going to undo these. So I just have the red line here, and then I'm going to work through them and see which one overlaps. So the first one here, so you see it doesn't, so it's not that one. That one also doesn't overlap exactly. Neither does this one, but this one, as we see, does. So that one is the correct answer. Again, type in your name, screenshot your work on the left and your graph, and upload that as your answer. So that's how you can solve one like that. And then last but not least, we are subtracting. So it's saying to subtract this. So we're going to type this exactly into Desmos and the four possible answers, just like we've been doing. And just type it in exactly as you see it. Pause the video so you have time to type this in and practice yourself. Then you're going to undo each circle and work through them again and see which one overlaps the purple one exactly. So I see with the first one, it's actually the first answer here. As you see, it's going from black to purple. And when I do the other ones, they don't overlap exactly. So again, the first answer is that first one. Type in your name, screenshot your work in the graph, upload that as your answer, and that's how you'll be answering the following questions after this video.